Welcome to Discover Agriculture. In today's episode, we're diving into the fascinating and lucrative world of lobster farming. Lobster farming, also known as aquaculture, involves raising lobsters in a controlled environment to meet the growing demand for this delicacy. Whether you're an aspiring aquaculture entrepreneur or simply curious about marine farming, this guide will take you through the essential steps to successfully farm lobsters. Let's explore the process from setup to harvest. Before starting, it's important to choose the right species. The most commonly farmed lobsters are the American lobster, Homarus americanus, and the European lobster, Homarus gammarus. Each species has specific habitat requirements, growth rates, and market demands. Research the species best suited to your local environment and market preferences. Lobsters require a clean, cold water environment. Choose a coastal location with access to clean seawater or set up a recirculating aquaculture system. Lobsters can be farmed in tanks, cages, or pens. Tanks allow for better control over water quality and temperature, while cages are more suited for open water farming. Ensure the tanks or cages are large enough to accommodate the lobsters as they grow, with ample hiding spaces to reduce aggression. Lobsters thrive in water temperatures between 12 degrees Celsius and 18 degrees Celsius. Monitor and maintain consistent temperatures to ensure optimal growth. Maintain seawater salinity levels of 30 to 35 parts per thousand. Ensure proper aeration to maintain dissolved oxygen levels above 6 milligrams per liter, as lobsters are sensitive to low oxygen levels. Use mechanical and biological filters to keep the water clean and free from waste and contaminants. Obtain juvenile lobsters, seed stock, from reputable hatcheries. Juvenile lobsters should be healthy, active, and free from diseases. Gradually acclimate the juveniles to the farming environment to reduce stress and mortality rates. Lobsters are omnivorous and require a diet rich in protein. Feed them a mix of fish, mollusks, and specially formulated lobster feed. Feed lobsters once or twice a day, depending on their growth stage. Avoid overfeeding to prevent water pollution and maintain water quality. Regularly monitor the growth of the lobsters. Weigh and measure them periodically to track their progress. Keep an eye out for signs of disease or parasites. Regularly clean the tanks or cages and remove any uneaten food or dead lobsters to prevent disease outbreaks. Lobsters are typically harvested when they reach market size, which is usually between 1 to 2 years, depending on the species and growing conditions. Harvest lobsters by hand, using nets or traps. Handle them carefully to avoid damage to their claws and shells. After harvesting, grade the lobsters based on size and quality. Sort them into different categories for sale. Store harvested lobsters in a cool, well-ventilated area. They can be kept alive for several days in cold storage with proper humidity control. Lobster farming is a challenging yet rewarding venture that offers high market value for the harvest. By following these steps and maintaining optimal conditions, you can successfully raise lobsters and contribute to the growing aquaculture industry. Thank you for watching Discover Agriculture. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful farming tips and tutorials.